This is Beyonce, the one in Nigeria now. More, the hair is so soft, so soft. I love it already. And if you use my discount code, guess what? You're going to get this hair for a reduced price. You're going to get this hair for a cheaper rate. Yes, you heard me. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing this hair that I got from a company called YOLOVA. Like, y'all have been coming to my DMs, even in the comment section. I see your questions. Anastasia, where did you get your hair from? Your hairs are usually nice. This video is going to be a hair review video, and like I said, I got this hair from YOLOVA. I got this hair like a few minutes ago, and I decided to show you guys this hair, and we're going to be unboxing it together. They sent me this cute hair, like Omo. I am so happy to be reviewing this hair today. I don't know if y'all can see the name of the company, YOLOVA. Yes, that's the name of the company. So this is the packaging of the hair. This is the packaging that the hair came in. I'm so excited because this is like my first this is like my actual first hair installation video, and I'm so excited. I'm so pumped for this. When you open the packaging, woo, wow, the hair came in like this satin bag, and it has the company's name on it, YOLOVA. And also, woo, and I really love the packaging because it is just so cute. And in the center of the packaging, you can see Born for Beauty. That is like their anthem, I believe, or something. I don't really know. Guys, let us open this hair together. I'm so happy. Like, Omo, I am so happy. I cannot wait. Woo. Okay, so guys, this is the hair. Inside the bag there is like eyelashes. I don't know if you guys can see eyelashes. This is like a free gift or something. Eyelashes, and it also came with a wig cap. Really nice. Came with a wig cap, and it also came with tweezers. Yes, it came with tweezers. Let us now check the hair. Ooh, so nice. More, the hair is so soft, so soft. I love it already. So guys, this is the hair, and this is the piano honey blonde hair, and I believe this is in 20 inches. Really nice. And when you look at the inside of this hair, this is like a frontal hair, and then it has like 2 combs by the side. It has one here and another one at the back, so in total it has like 4 combs. I don't think this wig is plucked. And let's see if there is shredding. Okay, this is like some amount of hair that I got out from the hair, but the hair doesn't really shred like that. I love it so much. Frontal with 4 combs. To slay with me. If you want to slay this holiday season, make sure you get this hair. It's very cute. Let's get into the installation process, guys. So guys, the first thing we're doing here was to like pluck the hair, because the hair didn't come plucked, so we had to like pluck the hair, just to get this natural hairline, so we can slay, so it can look all natural. And then the lace of the wig didn't match my skin tone at all, so we had to like go in with some powder. You can use a tinted lace spray if you have one, and my sister was just also helping me to put like the brown powder on the wig cap so it can really match my skin. And in this part of the video, we're just like putting the hair in place using some hair clips, and then we had to like cut the lace in order for us to add the glue. And in this video I used the got to be glue. The got to be glue was around 2,500 naira, so it was quite affordable. And we just had to like cut the lace in 4 different parts and then apply the glue on my hairline. As you can see, that's what my sister was doing in this part of the video. And then we went in with like a blow dryer just to make the glue dry off, and then we pulled down the lace
on my forehead so that it can, you know, stick to the lace and it can, you know, dry off. And then my sister used this comb, you know, just to press the lace on the glue so that it can stay very well. You want to make sure you're using a comb and not your hands. You know, you don't want to mess up your hands, so just use like a small comb to like press the lace on the glue. And right here we're just using the hot comb, you know, to comb down the hairs, and then we're applying some hair mousse just to prevent the flyaways, you know, to prevent hairs from, you know, touching the lace. So that is just basically what my sister did. And then she went in with the got to be freeze spray, and we went ahead to like, you know, tie the lace with some elastic band. So guys, you can see from the video, my sister, she did like a side part, like a C-cut, you know, because I wanted a side part, and then she used this hot comb to, you know, just make the hair look very, very sleek. So that was what we're doing here. And then she removed the elastic band after like 5 minutes of it being on my head, and then she cut off the lace. And guys, when you are cutting off the lace, you have to be very, very careful so you won't cut yourself. So that was just what she was doing here. She was just cutting the lace. Yes. I'm really, really loving the makeup, and I'm loving how everything went. Like, it was so, so beautiful. And in this part of the video, she was just, you know, putting some powder on the lace so it can match my skin tone real well. And then she went ahead to, like, you know, this is the part where we did the baby hairs. So like, you know, whenever I'm wearing curly hair, I love to do baby hairs. And then she cut part of the hair in the hairline just to get, you know, baby hairs. And then she went ahead to like use edge control on the part of the hair where she cut. And yeah, so that's what she was doing here. This is so, so beautiful. This hair is so cute. And then she went ahead to use a mousse just, you know, to tame down the curls, because as we were plucking the hair and everything, the curls became really puffy. So she just added some hair mousse to bring down the curls. Okay, at this part of the video, we're just blow drying the hair so it can, you know, dry up and everything will look nice. Yes.
Hey guys, is this giving Beyonce or not? Like, this is Beyonce now. Let me start singing like Beyonce, because this is the Beyonce in Nigeria. Hey, remember those walls I built? Baby, they are tumbling down. YOLOVA, thank you guys so much for making my dream come true, the dream of becoming Nigerian Beyonce, for making it come true. You all are the absolute best. Guys, make sure you get this hair from them. YOLOVA, that is the name of the company. Every single thing, from the packaging, every single thing looks nice. The packaging is nice, even down to the hair. The hair is so beautiful, absolutely beautiful. When you use my discount code, you're going to get a reduced price for this gorgeous hair. Guys, look at how the hair looks like at the back. Can you see? Look at how it looks like. And it is so full. My sister did a great job with the makeup and with the frontal, every single thing. My sister did a great job. I have not had makeup on since like last year. I think last year September. It's more than a year since I had makeup on, and this is the first time on this channel that I have makeup on. Like, y'all know that since when I started my YouTube channel, I have always been natural. I have never applied makeup on my face, and this is like the first time I am going to be filming a video with makeup on. Guys, listen up. I have a discount code. And if you use my discount code, guess what? You're going to get this hair for a reduced price. You're going to get this hair for a cheaper rate. Yes, you heard me. This hair, like I said, is the Jerry Curl piano honey blonde hair, and it is a 13x4 lace frontal hair. And guys, this hair is in 20 inches. I love I love everything about this hair, like from the color. Can you see the color? Can you see how it is giving Beyonce? Let me show you every single thing that I used on this hair. I used the hot comb. I know you all might have seen this when I was filming the video. This is what they call an hot comb, and I used it to, like, you know, get this pattern. And I also used the hot comb for this side, and I also used my blow dryer. I used my blow dryer to also, like, lay down the lace. And I used my got-to-be glue. Yes, I used my got-to-be glue, and this was what I used to glue the hair down. And then I used the spray. I also used the spray, and what I used on my edges was this normal edge control. I used it to get this edges. And let me show you guys what I used. The hair mousse that I used this one. This is the hair mousse that I used on my hair. So that is literally every single thing that I used to achieve this Beyonce look.